Have you ever stopped to wonder how you can see the world around you in such vibrant detail and color? It's all thanks to the marvel of biology that is the human eye. This complex system, consisting of components like the cornea, lens, retina, and optic nerve, works in harmony to capture and process light. It allows us to navigate our environment, recognize faces, and appreciate the beauty of a sunset. The human eye, a marvel of biology, is a complex system designed to capture and process light. To understand how we see, we first need to understand the structure of the eye. The human eye is not unlike a sophisticated camera, capturing light and turning it into images. The cornea, the clear front surface of the eye, is like the camera's lens cover. It helps to focus light into the eye. Behind the cornea sits the iris, the colorful part of your eye that controls the amount of light entering. The lens sits right behind the iris and fine-tunes the focus of the light onto the retina, like adjusting a camera lens. The retina, which lines the back of the eye, is where the magic happens. It's filled with millions of photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. These cells convert light into electrical signals. Lastly, the optic nerve acts much like a power cord, transmitting these electrical signals to the brain, which interprets them as the images we see. Each part of the eye plays a crucial role in capturing, focusing, and transmitting light to create the images we see. Vision is all about light, but how does this process actually work? Let's dive in. Our eyes are essentially sophisticated cameras capturing the world around us in real time. When light from an object enters our eye, it first encounters the cornea, the eye's clear dome-shaped surface. The cornea refracts or bends this light, starting the process of creating a focused image. Next, the light passes through the pupil, the small black circle in the center of our eye. The size of the pupil is controlled by the iris, the colored part of our eye, which adjusts to let in more or less light depending on the conditions. The light then hits the lens, which further focuses it onto the retina, a thin layer of tissue at the back of the eye. The retina is packed with millions of tiny photoreceptor cells, known as rods and cones. These cells are sensitive to light and start to break it down into electrical signals. Rods help us see in low light conditions, while cones are responsible for our ability to see color and detail in brighter light. The signals created by the rods and cones are then sent along the optic nerve, a kind of biological cable that connects the eye to the brain. Finally, our brain receives these signals and translates them into the images we see. It's a process that happens in the blink of an eye, no pun intended. Our eyes and brain work seamlessly together to process light and create the vivid images we perceive. Human vision is unique and fascinating in many ways. One of its distinct features is binocular vision. By using both eyes, our brain fuses the slightly different images from each eye, giving us a sense of depth and the ability to perceive our world in 3 dimensions. Color vision is another remarkable feature. Our eyes possess 3 types of cones that are sensitive to different wavelengths of light, allowing us to perceive a vibrant spectrum of colors. Our eyes also have the remarkable ability to adjust to various light conditions. The pupil, the black dot in the center of the eye, changes size to control the amount of light entering the eye, constricting in bright light and dilating in low light. Blinking and tears play crucial roles in maintaining eye health. Blinking keeps the eye moist and removes foreign particles, while tears lubricate and protect the eye, containing enzymes and antibodies to fight infections. These special features enhance our visual experience and protect our precious eyes. Our eyes are essential, so how can we take care of them? Just as we maintain our physical health, our eye health also needs attention. Regular eye exams are vital. They are not just for those who have trouble seeing. Eye exams can detect conditions like cataracts, glaucoma, and macular degeneration early, even before you notice any symptoms. Now let's talk about vision correction. Many people use glasses or contact lenses to correct vision problems like nearsightedness or farsightedness. But there are also surgical options like LASIK that can provide a more permanent solution. Finally, did you ever wonder why people have different eye colors? Eye color is determined by the amount and type of pigments in your iris. Common colors include brown, blue, green, and hazel. By understanding and caring for our eyes, we can ensure a lifetime of clear and healthy vision.